The facts of this case are quite complex, but in any case, the judgment is what's important here. That being said, let's have a look at how the dispute arose. Kookmin Bank gave a guarantee in connection with a shipbuilding contract to Rainy Sky, who was purchasing ships from a shipbuilding company. This guarantee meant that the bank would cover some of Rainy Sky's advance instalments that Rainy Sky had paid to the shipbuilder if the ship were not delivered by the shipbuilder to Rainy Sky. The ship was not delivered, and the shipbuilder did not pay back Rainy Sky's advance instalments as it had become insolvent. Kookmin Bank refused to cover these instalments because it argued that under the contract it had with Rainy Sky, its guarantee was not valid for cases where the shipbuilder went insolvent. There was no provision made for this in the contract, in other words. The Supreme Court, faced with two possible interpretations of the contract, opted in favour of Rainy Sky's interpretation. This is because this interpretation, that the guarantee should cover cases where the shipbuilder went insolvent, was more consistent with the commercial purpose of the guarantee. The court stated that if there are two possible constructions, the court is entitled to prefer that which is consistent with business common sense. However, where parties have used unambiguous language, the courts must apply it, even if the results it produces are commercially improbable. This case, while still involving a contextual interpretation of the contract, backs away from the position established in Chartbrook and Persimmon that considerations of background knowledge and commercial common sense can override the language of a contract. Here, such considerations were used as a means of interpreting the language, rather than a way of rewriting the agreement, so they were tools to be used by the courts rather than a means of overriding the contract itself.
For more on this case, please visit the link in the description, which will take you to our website. You'll also be able to find more case summaries there.